We see when we look at Moses, when we look at Gideon, Moses at the burning bush, Gideon threshing wheat in the winepress. Both of these men were reluctant to say yes when God called them. And so we see that from these two men, it is normal to feel ill-equipped when God calls you. It is normal to feel, I don't have what it takes. It is normal to ask God, why me? There's so many other guys or women that will be better. It's normal to have that reaction. In fact, it's normal to be afraid when God calls us to do something that we've never done before. But then we look at Moses and we look at Gideon and we see that this fear didn't keep them from saying yes. This fear didn't keep them from moving for God. And so God will call us to do things that's out of our comfort zone. Otherwise, how will we grow if we just do things that we're comfortable with?